Good afternoon, everybody. So I have come from Advanced Training Institute. This comes under Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India, and the department is Directorate General of Employment and Training. So before introduce myself about excuse me. Sorry for that. So before introducing or expressing about my institute's activities, first of all I would like to highlight here the point is, even though we are providing the skill oriented type of courses, but what we felt from our DGET side is the skill whatever we are producing is not, sometimes it is not matching with the industrial needs. Actually, whatever the need is there of the industry, whatever we are producing, so it is not matching. So even though we are having a lot of skilled people, but it is not matching, and it is not they are not getting the actually the employment opportunities, whatever they need actually. So for in that regard, so a lot of action has been taken to bring this mismatch very narrower, so that all the people whoever is getting the skill training, they can get the better opportunities. So in this regard, now I would like to tell about our institute. This is the Advanced Training Institute. It's a craftsman training institute also we used to call it, and we used to offer the various courses in mechanical as well as electrical and electronics oriented, not only for the diploma holders, polytechnic or ITA or engineering graduates, even for the 10th, 8th pass standards, standard pass candidates also we are offering the various types of short term as well as the long term courses. So I have bought some of the training calendars here, so which can give you the information about what type of various courses we are offering, not only for the fresh graduates or the polytechnic or ITA candidates, even we are offering the courses for the sponsored candidates, even the industrial workers from the DRDO or DRDL, scientific research institutes, the officers, or like that, for them also refreshing their knowledges. So such type of activities also we are doing from our side, and rather than that, under MES programs also our institutes are running, that is modular employable skills. So even for 8th pass standards or even 5th pass standards in various types of skills, we are going to offer that. And with this, I would like to conclude here. I don't want to explain much about that, and we are offering various kinds of courses, so that all you can please go through our training calendar and you can understand that. Thank you very much.